Do you want to know how to get more subscribers? Well, I have one little ninja trick that can help you out. Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Laressa Ngoeun here, realtor with eXp Realty here in Drumheller, Alberta, Canada, aka, yes, you know it, dinosaur capital of the world. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to basically force people to subscribe to your YouTube channel using a very special kind of link. But before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads, and follow me on Instagram at Ngoeun Living. Let's get into the video. Alright, so you want to force people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Yes, that was me too. And you can do that. So this is how we can do that. So you first want to go to your YouTube channel. So this is mine. And you want to go to your URL. So you want to click your cursor at the end, and then we are going to paste in this very special code, and it looks like this, which is !sub_confirmation equals 1. Now, that is going to generate this link here, and basically if we were to copy it and paste it into a different tab, hit enter, it is going to prompt you to subscribe. What? Yeah. Now, the beauty of this is you can take this special link, and shorten it using a shortening platform like Bitly. And you want to just go ahead and create that link, and then you can put this link basically anywhere and everywhere. Put it in your social media links, in your email signature, or just anywhere that you can put a link to have people go to your YouTube channel. Now, the only disclaimer with this is that this force subscribe only works on a desktop. So like I said before, if you put this in your email signature and people click on it, it will obviously prompt them or move them into a tab that will open up this force subscribe. Well, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it helps you. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads, and follow me on Instagram at Ngoeun Living. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Bye friends!